Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Dedica espresso machine, and this part here was leaking, and then they were seeing the machine leak down around here, and that's this part right here, and it was leaking at the seam right along there, so we had to replace it. So let's go ahead and pour a shot. We get a nice shot of espresso and no leaks. And let's also test the steam. Nice strong steam. No leaks. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.